Hello, you're watching Torque King TV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I'm showcasing the QU50150 range sleeve for 1994 to 2004.5 NP241DHD transfer cases, except assembly number 521050227AD, which uses QU11047. The NP241DHD range sport sleeve is subject to wear in 3 places: the clutch teeth, bearing surface, and hub snap ring area. The most likely problem areas are where the transfer case shift fork hub fits. It is also not uncommon to find the shoulder, hub surface, and ring groove chewed up. There can be several causes, including lubrication issues, main shaft snap ring failures, and range fork wear. All Dodge Ram NP241DHD transfer cases were built with a round metal tag affixed to the center of the rear case half. These red and silver tags bear the legend New Process Gear, Syracuse, New York. Factory-built new units always have assembly numbers that start with 52. Factory-authorized Chrysler rebuilt cases usually have a replacement tag that replaces the 5 with NR. Aftermarket rebuilt cases often have the original tag removed, or worse, have a tag from a different transfer case. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.